So I've heard that you cannot have tea with milk and lemon and not have the milk curdle in the process. I don't know, I don't believe it for some reason. So cow's milk is a mix of fats and proteins suspended in water. And the fats stay mixed in with the water because of the proteins. But when I add a little lemon juice, the acid, the citric acid in the lemon juice, is gonna denature those proteins. And once that happens, they start to clump together in solution, and that's where you get the curdles from. See, look at all that, look at all that lovely lemon cheese. Look at it. Look at it. So once I add the tea to it, the curdles, they just go afloat and look gross. You know what I mean? And nobody wants to drink that. What if I add the milk to the tea first? That way, I dilute the milk, and maybe we get less curdles that way. Add a little lemon, see if we get curdles. Are there no curdles? Yeah, I just had to swish it a little bit, and you can see the curdles just coming all out. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It looks, I don't know, it looks really cool. Frankly, it does look kind of cool to me, but it also looks very gross, and I don't think anybody wants to eat that or drink that. So you can't dilute the milk with the tea and make it work. What if I dilute the lemon juice though? That's the one that I think might work, right? So we're gonna start with the lemon juice in the beaker. And now we're gonna dilute it with the tea. Oh wait, those are two different colors. There's a pH indicator in tea called teorubigen that goes from brown to yellow when it goes from base to acid. See, if I added enough acid to change the color of the pH indicator, I'm probably gonna get curdles when I put this milk in there, right? Ooh, ooh. I mean, I like precipitation reactions, but that was, that was not a pleasant one. Let's see if I can add any amount of lemon juice at all. There's the tea, let's see. It's like a couple drops. 5 drops. 5 drops of juice and lemon. Okay, no, it didn't curdle right away. Let's try a couple more drops. At what point does it actually start? Oh, I think it's starting to curdle. Yeah, it's starting to curdle. If it's curdling because of the acid, what happens if I add base to it then? I want to see. I just want to see what happens. We're gonna have some baking soda to it. Let's see. Let's see. Oop, that was a little much. That foam is growing. But wait a minute. There's no curdles in there. The curdles are gone. Wait. All right, hold up. This is all the curdled stuff from earlier. And this is 1 mole of sodium hydroxide solution. If baking soda did it, sodium hydroxide will do it. It'll definitely change the color a little bit. Wow. Wow. The curdles are gone. What? That is wild. I have no idea what's happening here. I haven't the foggiest idea of why this worked the way it did. Maybe let me know in the comments. I never imagined this would be a thing.